Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And yes, it is time to get back on the Monday grind. Don't worry about it. The week will be over with in no time. Remember, this is CES week and I don't know guys, let's see if they're gonna come out with the Gears 4 or at least say something about it at CES. I will keep you posted on the new tech that's coming out, so look out for that. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get Monday out the way. Now the name of the watch face is called Glance Propel. It's by Glance Watch Face, and this is definitely a good look. And it's an affordable watch face. It is a paid watch face. Check it out in the Gear Manager store. I'm telling you, it is worth the download. Now, looking at the watch, you get a stack time. I like that look. You also get information on your steps, calories burned, your heart rate, miles walked or ran. You get your month and your date at the top, which is a good look. I like the animated seconds that's right in the middle of the time. So it is a good look. I like the setup, and this is going to give you information on your steps also with these LEDs. Same thing for calories burned. Well, not calories burned, but your battery info right here. And it is interactive, so you get some shortcuts, which makes life a little bit more convenient without having to pull your phone out of your pocket. You get your calendar, you get your alarm, you can go into your settings. So I'm liking the look of this. Music, which is important to me. So I don't know guys, you gotta hit me in the comment section below. Let me know if you think this is worth a download or not. Also, you can customize the color. Just simply double tap. And you can customize it to any color you like. And you can also customize the hour. Double tap, you can change the color of the time to whatever you like, the bottom one as well. And this is pretty nice. Glance Watch Face did a great job with the creation of this. You gotta check this out in the Gear Manager store. Now yes, this is the watch face of the day. I think it looks pretty good. And with that, it's time to end the video. Alright you all, I hope the video was informative. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to be notified when I drop more videos on this channel, make sure you hit the notification bell. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please just simply subscribe to my channel. Okay you all, I will see you all at the next video. Have fun, be safe, and take care.